at a place called Cortland, Cap Hill. I think this elevator might be the only working one. Hopefully there's... Right. Oh wait, we needed to go down one. Oops. Sorry. Go to P2. Yeah, we need to go
This
down.
is poop because it starts with P and it's number 1, so it's obviously P. No, this is poop.
Hey Sam, you're saying a random... Okay. Calm down. And, you know, you're saying random stuff in the video again.
Oh yeah.
I don't think that
But you
matters,
can hear the
but...
voice. Very lightly.
Look at the COP shape. I want to see if there's a call lockout on this floor. There is. There's a call lockout. And it actually works, unlike the ones in my building. Go to 1. You just standing there.